Andre and Josh, your time starts now!
I'm gonna be making a dry rub pork, and I'm gonna pair that with some smoked mushrooms, followed by mashed potato, and I'm gonna pour a nice maple ginger glaze over it. I think it's time for me to win a mystery box. Let's see what I can do.
Hey, Josh, you got the safe box. So tell me, what are you doing?
I'm gonna make a pan-seared pork chop. I'm gonna have some crispy potatoes, and then I'm gonna have a apple and maple syrup sauce over top, and butternut squash puree.
You're here to prove something yourself, right?
I am, yeah. Just because it doesn't happen the first time doesn't mean you have to give up. And if it's important to you, you follow your dreams and you keep trying. Coming out of high school, you know, I really wanted to go to culinary school, but it was kind of a choice. What do you want to do? Do you want to play football or do you want to go to culinary school?
You know, I didn't take up real chefing, okay, till I was way past 40. So never give up your dream because you can start anytime.
Yeah, chef.
Good luck.
Thanks, chef.
20 minutes! You only have 20 minutes.
I'm actually going to make a play on an old tradition. I'm going to elevate the poor boy sandwich with cream poached eggs and a quick chapati, which is an Indian simple bread. I'm most concerned about the black cod because I don't really cook it. Hopefully I can really give it the respect it deserves.
It's so bitter.
Hey there, Chrissy.
Hello.
I am delighted that you took the risk you took by choosing the risky box.
Yeah.
Is black cod an ingredient that is familiar to you with your Portuguese background?
Yes, this dish, it's sort of a play on a very humble dish my mom makes with boiled salted cod. I'm gonna do a pan-fried cod. It's gonna have a nice fresh vinaigrette with the fingerling potatoes.
Wow, that sounds like you've got a lot of great elements there. Thanks very much, Chrissy.
Thank you.
Oh, it's hot.
You only have 10 minutes left.
And I realized, oh my God, my oil is too hot, like it's smoking too much.
Chanel right now is absolutely frazzled.
Fish cookery is tricky at the best of times, and let alone black cod, which is super, super easy to overcook.
And I only have one piece of fish to work with. Maybe this was just too much of a risk.
3 minutes! 3 minutes left!
All of the food elements have to be perfect in order to get called up.
Look at Josh hustle.
I'm most worried about the pork chop. I'm checking it, I'm double checking it. It's easily overcooked.
1 minute! 1 more minute left! You can do it. Come on, guys. Don't forget anything. Get everything on the plate. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go!
The judges take one last look before choosing the 3 most promising dishes. The winner of this mystery box will also earn a huge advantage in the upcoming elimination challenge.
It would be really cool if they tried these fish cakes, but they're very simple. In my mind saying, pick me, pick me.
The first home cook we'd like to call up caught our eye by giving a special ingredient the honor it deserved. And we're talking about Chanel.
Yay! I'm so excited to hear my name called for the first time for a mystery box. So I did a crispy skin cod with a Romanesco puree with a Treviso slaw and a tamarind citrus vinaigrette.
This black cod does look very well cooked. It has a nice glisten and shine to it, which shows it's maintained the moisture. That piece was cooked beautifully. Those flavors, fresh and clean, they sing to you. So this is an interesting addition, the Romanesco puree here. Light green color, wonderful creamy texture just by the fork. Super creamy, super dreamy. Just a tad on the underside of the seasoning for me. but very, very nice. You truly took a risk, and it seems to have paid off. Well done.
Thank you.
You know what the star of the show is here? The chorizo. Really amazing. The flavors, they're very fresh, they're very clean. Great acidity to them. Great job.
Thank you, Chef. I took a risk and it's paid off. I feel like I finally shown that I'm a really tough competitor.
The second home cook proved that playing it safe can also be exciting. And that home cook is Josh.
Oh my God, really? They're calling me up? I'm super jacked about it. I'm hoping that pork chop is gonna be singing to them when they cut it open. This is a spiced pork chop over a crispy potato with a butternut and maple syrup puree underneath. And on top is a apple and maple syrup sauce.
So you played it safe. Looking at the plate right here, it's very, very rustic, but inviting. What kind of cook did you want on the pork?
I'm going for a medium there, Chef.
Not bad. Not bad at all. You still got that hint of pink here. This is definitely very, very juicy. Nicely done cook on the pork. Wow, I like that puree very much. It's velvety smooth. The flavors all very, very nice.
Thanks, Chef.
The only problem is, I wish there was more of it.
If it's safe, it better be delicious. And this is really well executed. I like the flavor. There's a lot of complexities happening with the apple, the pork. Those two flavors are best friends. You know what I call this? Soul food.
Thank you, Chef. This is an amazing feeling. I'm just hoping that I'm making my family proud, hoping that I'm making Saskatchewan proud.
The final home cook took a dish they grew up with and pushed it to a whole new level. And that home cook is Chrissy.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I am ecstatic.
So this is based on a comfort dish that my mom made for us growing up.
I did a pan-fried black cod over a warm potato salad with a bechamel roasted baby Romanesco.
Great color on that skin.
Thank you.
Well, let's take a closer look, shall we? I think that looks pretty spot on. That black cod is delicious.
Hey, thank you.
There's lots of good flavors.
Yes.
And the little Romanesca, like little mountains peeking out of the pot here. Feels a little on the underdone side.
Okay.
Wow, I think it is the sauce that really accents the flavor of it.
Yay.
Great flavors,
Thank you.
good technique. Everything is different on the plate, but yet when it comes together, it seems to work extraordinarily well.
Very impressive, very impressive. I like the presentation.
Thank you.
You chose a risky box,
Yep.
but you took a lot of your childhood memories.
Yes.
Potato salad with vinegar. Perfectly cooked. Love the texture.
Thank you.
Season is well balanced. I think in this challenge, you took a risk and you played it safe.
Yeah.
And I think that's a very, very good strategy.
Thank you, Chef.
Good job.
Walking away from the judges, I'm floating on air because I know they love the dish.
They're really showing their colors right now. I am very, very impressed.
All three cooked from the heart. It's gonna be very challenging for us to pick.
I won the last mystery box, and you know what feels better than winning one mystery box? Winning 2 back-to-back mystery boxes. I'm just hoping that I did enough to win.
Only one dish can win this challenge, and one home cook tipped the scales with their creative use of these ingredients. And that home cook is Chrissy. Congratulations.
I've proved to the home cooks that they should not underestimate me any longer.